I guess we received this pair of traditional table lamps for reviewing purposes. I think they are nice because, well, you know, they are many like old school lamps, and I think these are really nice. They come very well protected. As you can see, this is how the table lamps will look. Okay, this is the main unit. Okay, it looks really nice. This is like feels really nice, like wooden finish. Okay, and this is it. They've come disassembled, you just need to assemble them and that's all. So let's go ahead and start assembling them. What is nice about this set of traditional lamps is that you get the light bulbs, so you don't have to worry about it. You already got them inside the box. Okay, these are LED light bulbs, and we're gonna place them. Okay, as you can see, I've already assembled both of them. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There they are. I think they're really nice. They look really beautiful. They have this kind of like nostalgic vibe to them. I actually find them quite nice, and they're perfect for your living room like this, both sides, on both sides of your bed. I think they will look really nice, mostly because they have these light bulbs that doesn't feel over illuminated, which I think they are perfect, and they're really nice, really easy to assemble as you've seen, and I like them a lot. I would really recommend them. See you guys.